Modern Day Fisherman is more than just a podcast. It's a movement designed to awaken creative minds, young and old, to break free from the limits of the societal matrix. Our mission is to inspire and empower entrepreneurs, aspiring affiliates, and anyone tired of the 9-to-5 grind to envision a life of true freedom, mentally, financially, and spiritually. In this podcast, we're diving deep into actionable strategies to make money online, exploring the latest trends and shedding light on the truth behind so-called get-rich-quick schemes. But it's not just about tactics, it's about the mindset. We'll share insights into visualization, meditation, manifestation, and other practices that can rewire your brain for success and abundance. Think of it as your blueprint for building the life you've always imagined. What sets Modern Day Fishermen apart? It's our focus on authenticity. Each episode is a window into our personal journeys, the struggles, the breakthroughs, and the ongoing grind that shape us as creators. We're creating a home for like-minded individuals who are ready to step out of survival mode and into true living. This is a space to feel safe, inspired, and empowered, no matter where you're starting from. Our mantra is simple. Give a man a fish, and he'll eat for a day. Teach a man to fish, and he'll thrive for a lifetime. This podcast is about equipping listeners with the tools and knowledge to fish for a lifetime of success and fulfillment, breaking free from the mundane to step into a world of limitless possibilities. The real question is, are you alive, or are you actually living? Join us on this journey as we redefine what it means to live, create, and thrive in the modern world.